import turtle. This code is allowing me to use turtle. Create a screen and set a background color. This code is for create a turtle and assign it in test. And make shape to turtle. Color blue. This code is for let this turtle stand here and set a turn angle is equal to 30. Okay, for I in range 12 because it's gonna turn 12 times. Pen up because here is nothing, and move it forward 100. Test pen down. I'm gonna draw a line, so I need to take my pen down. Forward 30. And now this is my line. Pen up because here is empty. Forward. And to make another turtle here. So it's test stm stamp and send it back to home. Triangle. And this is 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. So it's test. Turn angle is equal to 30. Save it and run it. That's all. Thank you.